Achievers, striving for your career.
May I come in, sir?
Come in, please. Hi, Gurkirat. Please have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Gurkirat, tell us something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Gurkirat Singh and I belong to a Sikh family. My father, Sardar Inderpal Singh, is an inspector in J&K Police, and my mother, Sardani Rajinder Kaur, is a homemaker. And my sister, Harmaninder Kaur, is pursuing her studies in medical stream. As far as my studies are concerned, I study in class 7th in JK Public School, which is affiliated to CBSE, and I have given my annual exams and the results are awaited. I give my studies a lot of importance because I think that it's the only studies which leads us to the right path and help us achieve what we aspire of. Even in the lockdown, I remain focused in my studies by studying and remaining focused and by giving Olympiads and getting desired results in it. I got a medal of distinction in Science Olympiad. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading novels. My strong points are that I'm cooperative in nature, I have a learning attitude, and I can adjust in any surroundings. My weak points are that I give too much attention to the basics. My aim in life is to become an army officer and excel it to the highest level.
Okay. So your hobbies are reading novels. So
Yes,
what
sir.
novels you have read so far, and when you started reading novels?
Sir, I have read fictitious novels as well as some motivational novels, and I started reading these novels from the fourth class.
Okay, from class 4.
Yes, sir.
It's too younger age to read novels. How did you develop this hobby?
So, during our summer vacations, our teacher told us to read a single novel, and that's why from there I got to read novels.
Okay. So which is the best novel you read so far?
So, I think the best novel which I read so far is The Alchemist.
Why so?
Sir, because it has a very nice story and it is also a motivational book because it tells us to follow our dreams.
Okay. So what are your dreams?
Yes, sir.
What are your dreams?
Sir, my dreams is to be perfect, and to do my best always.
But I don't think anybody is perfect in this world.
Yes, sir. But we should gain what we learn or get.
Okay. Why you have chosen RAMC for yourself?
Sir, because I think that IMC will give me a nice environment for my further schooling and aging, and also I will get to learn very a lot of things in RAMC, and I will get to have learn different sports also.
Okay. So what's your ultimate aim in life?
Sir, my ultimate aim in my life is to become an army officer and excel it to the highest level which I can.
So do you think that RAMC is going to help you in it?
Yes, sir. Sir, REMC will teach us about different ways of army and many other things because there is an environment in REMC like this.
We have come to know that you were in Sainik school also and you left it. What is the
Yes,
reason?
sir. Sir, because sir, I had to prepare for REMC and that's why there we have to. That is a boarding school and that's why we cannot fully concentrate on REMC. That's why.
Okay, how did you prepare yourself for this particular exam?
So I prepared by doing 10 years test. Also, I bought some books like which have questions of REMC, and and for English I bought R.S. Zillow, a book of grammar, and I practiced daily.
Okay, who helped you in that?
So my father and my sister helped me in that.
Okay, that's really great. So how much hours you used to devote on this preparation?
Sir, I used to devote all day, and also I used to play for some hours, 1 or 2 hours, and also on YouTube I saw videos of studies, and that's why also on YouTube I got to learn.
Okay. So which is your favorite sport?
Sir, my favorite sport is cricket.
So you play as a batsman or as a bowler?
Sir, I play both, all rounder.
You're all rounder.
Yes, sir.
Who's your favorite player?
Sir, my favorite player is Rishabh Pant.
Why so?
Sir, because he is an aggressive player and he bats nicely, and he wins the match in all conditions.
Okay, fine. So, any other player like except Rishabh Pant from any other country you like?
So there is Virat Kohli also because he makes knocks which are non-stop because he always becomes not out sometimes, and that's why. And he has also many records of centuries, and that's why.
Centuries he has made so far.
So he has made 43 centuries in ODI matches and 27 centuries in Test matches.
Okay, fine. So, how broad is the crease?
So the popping crease varies. It's only unlimited in length, and it can be of 3 meters, like the width of the pitch.
Okay, fine. And what is the you can say length of the pitch?
Sir,
Length of the pitch.
sir, length of the pitch is 22 yards or approximately 20 meters.
You are a fast bowler or a spin bowler?
Sir, sometimes I do fast bowling and sometimes spin bowling.
Okay. So where do you play?
Sir, I sometimes play in my veranda with my friend, and sometimes I go to a ground.
Okay. So you play it at a professional level or just for a
No, sir, for fun yet.
Okay, fine. Tell me one quality each you get from your father, your mother, and your sister.
Yes, sir. Sir, firstly from my sister that she loves education, and so we should take education as an enjoyment and not for a burden. And from my mother to help everybody, whoever is in any situation, always. And from my father to be dedicated and hardworking in all conditions.
Okay. Who is the first recipient of Nobel Prize in India?
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore was the first recipient of a Nobel Prize in India. He got Nobel Prize in 1913 in literature.
Okay. What is the highest gallantry award?
Sir, highest gallantry award is Paramveer Chakra.
And what is it? It is in wartime or peacetime?
Sir, it's in wartime.
And what is it in peacetime?
Sir, it's Ashok Chakra in peacetime.
Okay. How many people have got Paramveer Chakra in Kargil war?
Sir, I don't remember it.
Okay. Who is the first president of India? Who was the first president of India?
Sir, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India.
Okay. How many districts are here in J&K?
Sir, there are 20 districts in J&K.
Can you name them?
Sir, yes, sir. Let's first divide it into J&K, Jammu division and Kashmir division. In Jammu division, there are Jammu, Samba, Rajouri, Poonch, and Kathua, Riasi, and it's Udhampur, and yes, sir, this much. And in Kashmir, there is Badgam, Anantnag, Baramulla, and Kargil, no sir, Pulwama. Yes, this much.
How many districts are there in Ladakh?
Sir, there are 2 districts in Ladakh, which are Leh and Kargil.
Okay. Who's your favorite teacher and what is your favorite subject?
Sir, my favorite teacher is N.K. Sharma sir, and my favorite subject is mathematics.
So why N.K. Sharma sir is your favorite teacher?
Well, because he is also a teacher of mathematics, and also he teaches us in an enjoyment way, and his focus is to completely let the child understand and take his time. That's why.
Okay. If you get a chance to start up your education life, what thing will you change and why?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
If you've been given a chance to change your education life once
Yes, sir.
again,
Yes, sir.
what thing would you like to change and why?
So, sir, I would like to change my handwriting, and I will focus on my handwriting from the earlier ages like pre-nursery, LKG.
Okay. Who is your best friend and why he is your best friend?
Sir, my best friend is Saksham Sharma, and because we have a nice bond, he lives in my house as a tenant, and we meet every day, and we also play cricket together. And because he is helping to me, and we both help each other in difficulty.
Okay. So last year it was, you have not been to school, right? Because of
Yes, sir.
COVID.
Yes, sir.
So how you passed your days? Like, what was your daily routine?
So I pass my days by firstly waking up at almost 8 a.m., then brushing up, and then I ate breakfast. And after that, from 9 a.m., my online classes were started till 2 p.m. And then after 2 p.m., I eat my lunch, and then I see or watch TV or play games like mobile games. And after at 4 p.m. I go to play cricket, and at 6 p.m. I come home, I bath, and then I study for till 8, and then I watch TV, and then at 9 to 10 I sleep.
So when did you prepare for RIMC?
Sir, I prepared for REMC before my school exams started, before January.
Okay, right. So in the preparation, like, which was your best part and which was your worst part?
So I think my best part was mathematics, and worst part was GK because you don't know what will come in the exams and you have to practice everything.
Okay, fine. So how do you think, like, how many chances you have to clear this exam?
Sir, I have one chance left, which will be on in June.
Okay, if you clear this exam, will you join?
Yes, sir, of
And if
course.
you will not able to make this time, then what will you do?
Sir, I will first clear all my shortcomings and improve on my shortcomings, and then I will again try hard to give the next chance.
And in the next year, you will be in 8th class,
Yes,
since you have
sir.
given the exam of 7.
Yes, sir.
And your next chance, if you give, your batch will start in January.
Yes, sir.
Again, you have to start up the 8th again.
Yes, sir.
So don't you think that you will be 1 year behind your education?
No, sir, but because we will get a nice opportunity, and to get this opportunity, very students get into leave their 1 year because in going in REMC is like a dream for everyone, and that's why I want to go in there.
Okay. So what do you know about RIMC?
Sir, I know about REMC that it was made on 13th March 1922 by the Prince of Wales, Edward VIII. And before independence, its name was Royal Indian Military College, and after independence, its name changed to Rashtriya Indian Military College.
Okay, very good. There is one institute in Jammu also, which is at the name of Prince of Wales.
Yes, sir.
Can you give us which one is that?
Sir, it's Jammu University. Sir, sorry, sir, I don't know.
Okay, no problems. It's Prince of Wales College, and the
Yeah.
name is going to GGM Science College.
GGM Science College. Okay, sir.
Fine. Who is the first Lieutenant Governor of JNK?
Sir, it was Radha Krishna Mathur.
First Lieutenant Governor of JNK.
It was Karan Singh.
I'm talking about first LG of JNK.
Okay, sir.
Who was first LG of?
Sorry, sir. Don't know.
Okay. And when JNK has lost status of being a state?
Sir, it lost it being a state on 31 October 2019.
Okay, fine. But one thing is there, like, it was around 5th of August
Yes, sir,
2019.
at that time, the bill had passed in the Constitution Parliament.
Okay, so why it took such a long time to implement that?
Because, sir, I think that there might be to get the consent of all the states and the ministers, and that's why it took so much time.
Okay, right. So what do you think that why should we choose you?
Sir, because sir, I have tried hard and practice hard. So, sir, I think that I should get the fruit of my hard work. And also, sir, I will improve my things in REMC and will be having a learning attitude and I'm hardworking. So, sir, I think that you should choose me.
whosoever has come up here, they have done the hard work. That is why they are here in front of us. So what special thing do you have?
Sir, I am hardworking and dedicated to my work, and I think that I will learn all the things which REMC teaches me and imply this in my life.
Okay. Fine, Gurkirat. It was
Yes,
nice
sir.
interacting with you. Have a
Yes,
nice
sir.
time.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. All the
Thank
very
you, sir.
best.